Welcome to the No BS tour of the CMMI for development. This is a series of short videos that explain in a common sense way what the CMMI is about, how it's structured, why it's useful, and the elements of the model. You may be wondering whether it's worth implementing 22 process areas, or even any of them. Let's take a look at some of the benefits that other organizations have gained from implementing the CMMI. A study of 30 organizations revealed the following results from CMMI implementation. These are medians from the sample. 34% reduction in cost, 50% reduction in schedule, 61% increase in productivity, 48% increase in product quality, 14% increase in customer satisfaction, and a 4-to-1 return on the improvement investment. These numbers are typical in my experience over the past quarter century. I've had clients who started out with customers screaming at the company president for shipping defective software that now shipped defect-free products each and every time. A double validated study done by Boeing in 2002 and reported at a CMMI conference shows similar results over their CMMI journey. Let's take a look at what they found. Significantly reduced variance in estimation once they started gathering and using historical data rather than professional judgment or best guess. More predictable schedule performance as measured by milestone deliverables across 120 projects as they improved. Reduction in post-release defects from improving their defect containment process, and also a reduction in rework from implementing the peer reviews, as the verification process area talks about. Significant increase in productivity by being able to reduce systems support effort and apply it elsewhere. And finally, higher employee satisfaction from implementing processes that allowed for predictability and sanity in the workplace. Warner Robins Air Force Base also shows the kinds of results one can get from implementing CMMI. Here's the difference in schedule variance they saw as they implemented the entire CMMI model. While these sample benefits are compelling, they don't come easily, nor do they come immediately. Most organizations start out with a relatively ad hoc way of working. Estimates are made by best guess, schedules are estimated without any history to draw from other than memory, and negotiations often end with budget or schedule cuts with no defensible case for the projects. As a result, projects often run late, and some never end. As we start to implement CMMI, we start to collect and use project data to estimate similar classes of projects. As a result, we can start to have rational conversations with our customers and also to get better at hitting our targets, as seen here. As the data become more normalized and available to the organization as a whole, those estimates become even better and the variance lessens across projects, all of which allow better prediction and control over project deliveries. With enough data to work with and enough discipline in working with it, we can then start to tighten our project performance and manage within a known set of limits.